Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing my January beauty favorites because I have a few products that I'd like to really talk about. The first being the Baby Bat Beauty Midnight Mascara. This just came out recently and I have done 2 videos on it, which I will link down below. This is a beautiful mascara. It's $10.99 US and you can use my code TASHA20 and get 20% off. This is one of my favorite mascara formulas ever. It is lengthening and thickening, but it doesn't like clump up my lashes too much. It's the mascara I'm wearing today, so this is definitely my favorite mascara for January. For brushes, I am in love with Wet n Wild brushes. P65 and the P53. I use this for bronzer and I use this to set my under eyes. Both of these are amazing and affordable, so I would definitely recommend them. For lipsticks, I have 4 I'd like to talk about. The one that I'm wearing today is Bellastona from Melt Cosmetics, and I do really enjoy Melt Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. Today is not my best application, but we're just gonna ignore it. It's just this beautiful like pinky red. It is gorgeous. The other liquid lipstick that I love is Skyfall from ColourPop, which is just this like pinky magenta sort of shade. It is from their holiday collection. I personally really like the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lips, and this just happens to be the one I liked most this month. Next, we have 2 tube lipsticks, which if you guys watched my best tube lipsticks of 2018, you'll know about these already. This is the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipstick in the shade After Party, which is this beautiful sparkly metallic purple. I had to buy 2 backups of this because it's limited edition, and this is my favorite lipstick of all time. It is so pretty. I love it. I hope that she makes this permanent because I'm so sad. The next shade that I have is from Lime Crime, and it's Dollhouse. This is a limited edition, so definitely go snatch it up before it sells out. This is their unicorn lipsticks, which I absolutely adore, and I've done lip swatch videos. My favorite powder, which shouldn't be a shock to anyone, is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the only powder I've found that doesn't crease very much, and it doesn't turn dark in some spots, which the Kat Von D one does for me. So I definitely recommend this. I love using this Pixie Glow for bronzer and blush. I just love that it's ombre, so you have like bronzer and then blush and then a highlighter. The highlighter is very subtle, but I love mixing it all together and putting it on my cheeks. For highlighters, I have 2 this month. I have the Opal's Highlight by Lime Crime, which I feel like is probably going to be in every month because I use it constantly. It is what I'm wearing today. And then we have the Kat Von D Metal Crush Highlighter in Thunderstruck, if I can open it, which just looks like that. It is absolutely stunning, and it's glittery, which is why I love it so much. I'm wearing a mixture of the 2 today. It is just so freaking pretty. And then yeah, this is the Opal's palette, which is super dirty because I use it every day. For eyeshadow, some of my favorites are the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. Now, these are so quick and easy to use. Like, I am obsessed with how quick and easy these are. Literally, put 3 dots, blend it out, put like the metallic on, and you're good to go. The red shade and the purple shade I find are finicky and are harder to blend out, but that being said, I still do like them and I do keep them because it is so easy to make an eye look. The lighter shades I find are better to blend out. These 2 are the ones that I like the most. Personally, I use the metallics more so as a liner because if you use them on your lid, they get into all the crevices, which if you don't mind, then that's great, but if you do mind, I would pass up on these, but I personally love them and I hope that she comes out with more shades. Lastly, we have my favorite palette of the month, which for there to be one favorite palette is like freaking like the end of the world. Like, it's insane. That's how good this palette is. And of course, it is the Venus XL2 by Lime Crime. You guys know that I'm obsessed with this. I've done so many videos on it already, but you guys just know that I am obsessed with the shades and the quality, and it's just so amazing. I will link my review and my tutorial down below so you guys can go check it out. So that was my favorites for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!